Electronics exclusive. Qualcomm has big plans in India, and it's not only because the country is one of the fastest growing phone markets in the world. Speaking to CNBC TV 18, Shireen Bham, the global chairman of the world's largest phone chip manufacturer, Paul Jacobs, says that the fact that India has leapfrogged to 4G technology and such low costs has only gone to boost penetration in India. Take a look.
Push this $150 million fund for investing in companies here. And we've got about 23 million of that invested now, five companies just since September. This market where 4G is just getting started, and so you see this new opportunity. And so we're excited about that because we're really trying to lead in the technology side. So there's all sorts of new technologies that will be coming down the pipe. We're starting out with just getting people more mobile broadband, then drive the cost down of the devices so that you get more proliferation, and then build on some of these other services that in some cases are in the rest of the world, but in other cases I have to say India will be in a leadership position on certain new technologies that are coming in the wireless world.
You've always believed that India's been the leader when it comes to actually dropping prices, and we've been able to actually do that when it comes to voice, and you believe that India will perhaps take the lead even when it comes to data. Do you believe that this leapfrog that everyone's talking about from 2G to 4G is a realistic expectation?
Well, I think 3G is certainly rolled out, but the gap in time between the rollout of 3G and the rollout of 4G probably been the shortest in India as it's been in anywhere else in the world. So yeah, I think that both systems will they'll coexist, and there'll still be some 2G, but hopefully 2G starts to go away and people get really onto more mobile broadband, because that is the thing. You know, when you get more applications, you get more usage, you get more coverage to more people. That's when you actually see the ecosystem really take off, and particularly when we see local companies, we want to see them really grow up in this market and then be able to go global as well.
How much cheaper do you believe we can get? You know, we've got Indian companies now talking about selling phones for 250 rupees.
Sometimes people are making very dramatic statements, but I do believe that the mainstream phones will come down to a price point where, you know, your average person can have access to them.